Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making pecan pie. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3/4 cups of chopped pecans, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1/2 cup of dark corn syrup, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 pie crust, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a large bowl, whisk your eggs. Now add the brown sugar, vanilla extract, cornstarch, and butter. Add the light and dark corn syrup and salt, then mix until well combined. Now add the chopped pecans and mix until well combined. Now add your filling to your pie crust, then top with extra pecans. Transfer your pie to your preheated oven, then allow it to cook for 50 to 60 minutes. Remove your pie from the oven, then allow it to cool. This is a classic holiday recipe that I'm sure your family will enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.